Have you seen this, and this? Do you know we can زي اللب
زي للعين.
Just kidding. Do you know you guys can add all these social media links to your YouTube profile? So before I show you how you can do that, I want you guys to do me a favor. Please smash the like button right now and subscribe. So now let's get to the system. So the very first thing I want to show you guys, I want to walk you guys through different steps. There are just 3 steps, so it's very easy. So the first thing we need to do is we need to grab a link. So you guys need to come up with links like this, instagram.com/joeregmax. So basically I'm going to include this link into my description so that you guys can basically just change joeregmax to your maybe your social media handle at whatever. So you guys understand. So that's the very first step. That's step 1. Step 1, you need to grab a link like this. Now step 2, you need to go into your YouTube channel. So let me open my YouTube channel. So this is the YouTube channel here. The next thing you want to do is go to your channel. Then from your channel, you need to go to your studio. So go to studio, YouTube studio. Then you go all the way down to customization and click on basic info. So you scroll down all the way down to add links. So now this is where the links comes into play. So next thing you want to do is go back to the links. Then we have to copy Instagram@joeregmax.com, copy, and go back to our YouTube and paste. Then you can name it at Instagram. Then you can add as much link as you want. So I just want to skip this part for you guys and add the other links so don't waste your guys' time. So let's add others. So as you can tell, basically look at my channel, I don't have the links in my profile yet. So before I publish the link to my profile, I want to show you guys how my profile actually looks like. So let's go to my YouTube channel. So this is my channel. At the moment, you can see I don't have any links on my profile. So now let's publish the link to my profile and see how it will look like. So you guys go back here. So we are done adding the links. All we need to do is publish. Then we need to go to my channel and check. And there you go. You can see the links has been included. So from there, you guys can add as much social media platform you want to add. If you have a business you want to promote, you can add the links to it just to drag more audience from your YouTube channel or your YouTube profile to your social media page or your business. So with that, I think I've been able to pass on information to you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Whew. I hope this video was self-explanatory. So if you guys want me to do more of this kind of videos in the future, please kindly drop a comment down below. And also, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, because it's going to help my channel grow. I hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Max out.